I did some mining in the freaking tunnels, and found nothing with this. If you want proof this is real, there is a link in the description to a video of some mining for proof. So this is how it go. You just dig like this, and oh no, and find everything that exists. This is freaking boring, so I'm going back. Okay, so now I have to find a new place that is more lol than that one. That one's freaking fucked. I mined everything there. There's nothing left to find, I think. I don't know. I will organize these chests later. Also, I am going to modernize my inventory. From now on, this is how it will all be. Or some variation of this. So I always know what to do. Oh, shit. To do things. That's just a better system, or whatever. I need food. This does not produce enough good food. This stuff sucks as shit. It doesn't do anything. If you eat more of it like 2 seconds later. It is complete cancer to live off of that stuff. Plants are growing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I bone nerd the food plants. Oh, what the frick, dude. These plants freaking suck. No food. I will feed the cows. I should go fishing. That's what I will do. I will fish for food this video. And, no one wants to watch fishing though. So I will talk about funny things. What the frick? What the frick? What? What the frick are these? What the frick, dude? What, are those mountain goats? What the frick? guy, dude. Oh my god. What? What the frick? That's fucking crazy. I don't care though. Okay. This is gonna be funny, lol. So, I have no fucking stories. Oh, I know what to do. So, once I went on the flight, and, I don't think there's anything to tell about that story. It was cool though, it was a cool plane, you know. It didn't crash. I was trying to freaking catch fish, dude. There was a guy next to me reading a book or something. I don't know. I played Angry Birds Star Wars the whole time. I didn't know that game had gotten banned yet. So I played a banned game on a plane, which I think might be illegal, but I don't know. It could be. Hopefully not. And then on the way back I did the same thing. And when I got there it was frickin' raining, which was epic and funny, for like 3 days straight. Which is the funniest, coolest thing ever, dude. Like, if I drank all that water, I would have drinking like, at least a bottle of water. At least one. I don't know, man. It was freaking crazy. Airports were so cool, dude. Like, there's so many things there, dude, like Pizza Hut. Last night I had a dream that I drove to, like, I don't know, Detroit. I'm not telling that, you know what, no one cares. No one cares. Those are always boring stories, bro. I'd rather watch fishing silently than hear a story about a dream and fishing. But anyway, there was like, in the place I went in real life from the plane, dude, there was not much there. Maybe there was, I don't know. It was funny, I guess. Oh my god. Yo! What the frick? Dude, I'm catching so many frickin' fish. Holy crap. I never have to eat watermelons again. Oh yeah, that reminds me of a video from yesterday when that kid asked me if I was black and then told me to eat watermelons. Dude, that was the edgiest person I've ever seen on this game. He was there like, guys, I'm gonna say really edgy things and be really aggressive for no reason, and that's funny, right? That's how comedy works, right? You know, there's a thing about dark humor, right, that 12-year-olds always seem to miss, and that's the joke part. They just say the edgy part without any setup or punchline or anything humorous. They just say the edgy part and then call you an SJW when you say it's not funny. It's not funny because it's offensive. It's not funny because you didn't tell a joke, idiot. Like, how the fuck do you not get this stupidly basic, brain-dead concept for your idiot, yeah, face? Dude, I can't believe, this is just, it's like, it's like every joke now. They always forget to make it funny. Or they write something like just a when, right? But with no joke. Literally no joke. when comments without any joke at all. Literally no joke. There's nothing. It's literally just the word when, and that's supposed to make it funny. Like, what happened to comedy, dude? Why is it so bad now? Humor is actually dead. There's nothing funny about typing the word when with no joke. You're an idiot if you think it is, and I don't care if humor is subjective. That is just an excuse that people who make bad jokes use to continue making bad jokes. Absolutely retarded, dude. And if humor is subjective, right, then that means I am allowed to find it not funny. But if I say it's not funny, they freak out and they're like, no, you can't say that, bro. Humor is subjective. Shut up, you loser. You're not funny, and that's a fact, dude. So freaking stupid. When the... Like, shut up. Stop using the word when like this. That's not what it's for. I once saw a comment on a video from 10 years ago that literally said POV : this video will be back in 10 years. What does that even mean? How is that a POV comment? How does that make it any funnier? What does that mean, dude? That's not even what POV means. That's not even what it means. It means point of view. So how is this a point of view? This will all be back in 10 years. What does that mean? That doesn't mean anything. That's not funny. That means nothing. That means literally nothing. Literally nothing at all, dude. Like, how retarded can you be to think that's funny? I don't get it. None of that is funny. That's just retarded. That is literally random equals funny. This is like Facebook minion quality memes at this point. Like, everyone made fun of Facebook for their random equals funny memes. Everyone agreed unanimously that wasn't funny. Everyone unanimously agreed cat memes weren't funny. And now they're back, and people think they're funny again. And then when you tell them they're not funny, they either say, it's ironic, or it's subjective. Listen, if you don't put any hint of irony in your meme, then it isn't ironic. I don't care if you say it's ironic retroactively. It's not ironic if there's no hint of irony. Dumbass. And you wanna know why it is? Wanna know why YouTube comments are this bad now? This is gonna be a hot take, okay? This is gonna be a molten take, alright? No one is gonna agree with me on this for a while, okay? In a couple of years you'll all realize it though. You'll all realize that I'm right and about why YouTube comments are so bad in 2020 and 2021. It's because of Reddit, and more specifically, PewDiePie bringing all the terrible Reddit memes that say me when the, nobody, POV, all of that crap, right? He leaks them through his channel for his meme review show and his live show, right? He leaks them through into YouTube, and then the YouTube commenters who don't use Reddit, you know, the normal people, become Redditors, right? And they start using those comments. They're like, oh, I guess this is what funny is now. Lol. I'm not even laughing at this. And half the memes are about how I don't laugh at this. But I'm going to keep saying it because apparently people think it's funny, right? And no one actually thinks this crap is funny. If you do, you are actually dumb. You are literally a low IQ idiot if you think this is funny. I don't have... Right, so they bring it in. They commented on YouTube comments, and then the other children, the other idiots, see that, and they're like, oh, I guess that's funny now. I guess to fit in I have to say nobody, when the, POV, and that'll get me likes, right guys? And then they start commenting this crap, and it is spread across YouTube and the internet as a whole like a pandemic. It is actual cancer, dude. These YouTube comments are dead. If this is what people think is funny now, I don't want to read YouTube comments. I've lost all faith in YouTube comments. This is complete cancer. Anyone who unironically comments this is an idiot. Explain to me how, if you genuinely think this is funny, and you're watching, please, make your case for how this is funny. Please, someone, I don't care who. And don't frickin' do this frickin', oh, well, you're frickin', dude, your videos are funny, I don't care. I don't care. It's not about my videos, it's about your comments, okay? Don't do this whataboutism crap, okay? This is not about my videos, it's about your comments. That's what I want you to defend. How in the actual hell is this funny to anyone? How is this Reddit crap at all funny? It's just annoying, if anything, seeing the same comment repeated over and over again and all these photos with like 500 likes or something, or they get hearted by the YouTubers. Like, what? Why? Why do so many people find this annoying garbage funny? It is the most low IQ dumb humor in the entire world. I don't get how anyone at all finds this funny, dude. Jesus, dude, the game sound is way too loud. It's gonna frickin' overpower my voice. I can't believe this crap, dude. Someone is gonna make a wonderful any comment with this symbol, okay? How is that funny? Why is that funny? Why does that symbol make it funny? You don't even need a joke. You don't need a setup. You don't need anything. You just need that symbol, and then it's funny, apparently. That's literally what internet humor has dissolved into. It's either saying really edgy things without any punchline or any setup. Alright? So it's basically just saying offensive, edgy things. Right? And not even adding a joke, right? Or just typing this symbol with any assortment of words, and then people think it's funny. Is society too far gone? Yeah, it might be if this is what people think is funny now. Like, it's an absolute travesty. It is terrible. It's terrible that people think this is funny now, dude. They are actually either getting dumber, or maybe it really is funny. But I doubt that, because that literally goes against every. It's not funny. Alright, it is not funny at all. I don't think anybody is actually, if anybody even sees this video, and alright, if anyone tries to defend these memes, no one is actually going to make a good case. They're all going to be 12-year-olds and say, hey, the humor is subjective. What about your videos? They're not funny. Oh, well, maybe it is the latter. Maybe it really is funny. That's all they're going to say. I've never seen a good argument for these memes in my entire life. I have been going around these comments and replying, this is not funny. Right? And no one has ever made a good case for them. Ever. Not once. It is literally I'll go on for like 30 paragraphs about how unfunny this is and how wrong these people are, and they'll never make a good case for why they're right. Even once. They just say things like, well, humor is subjective, or, oh, I'd be so proud of myself making fun of people for putting funny memes on the internet, you terrible person. I need to take the moral high ground now, because I'm a Redditor, and I need to take the moral high ground in every context that exists. This isn't about the moral high ground, idiot. This is about you not being funny, okay? Why do you have to make yourself look like a good and virtuous person in every situation? It's so dumb. You realize people on the internet don't care if you're a good person, right? Or if you think you are, and usually they just think they are. Because anybody who does this is probably an utterly insufferable person in real life. Like, seriously, dude. Virtue signaling on the internet in particular is at an all-time high, and it is at an all-time. It is completely cancerous. I cannot stand it. They're like, oh, look at me, I need to disavow this evil person for saying something I disagree with. I'm such a good person. No one cares. No one cares, okay? Literally no one. I'm gonna catch one more fish and then I'm gonna cook them. Where the fuck